maybe this is just me as a person, but I don't like to have to play online with other people.
Nope.
I want to play by myself.
I mean, that's
I want to
fair.
run around.
You can do that though. You can just play by yourself. There's like a whole questing aspect
there is.
to the game that is just you. Yeah, that literally you could just pick up quests.
I think this is
like
a
in
trick.
Skyrim.
I think it's a trick,
It's the
man.
and
trap.
roll around. I'm not fucking
It's a
around.
trap.
I'm
I
think
serious.
it's a
Are you
trick.
trapping us?
I will hold your hand and walk you through it.
The last time someone offered me that, it definitely was a trap. So, okay, I've learned my lesson there. Don't go holding hands with strangers into the night.
I've seen at least a few horror movies that start with the premise of an MMO that you can play by yourself, and then next thing you know, you're trapped inside the machine.
Next thing you know, you're lawnmower man.
Yeah, dude.